Balance isn't something we hold by force. It's something we return to again and again through presence, breath, and stillness. Hello and welcome. I'm so glad you're here. Today's practice is called Stones of Presence. It's a meditative drawing ritual rooted in the quiet weight of the natural world. First, I'll share what this practice is and why it matters. And then I'll guide you through a reflective drawing session to help you reconnect with balance in body, breath, and awareness. So, if you're ready, grab your journal and let's begin. Across cultures, stones have served as sacred markers of direction, of memory, of the soul's quiet strength. In the Highlands of Scotland, stacked stones called cairns were used as trail guides, showing travelers the way home. In Japan, Zen monks carefully placed rocks in contemplative gardens to reflect mountains, still water, and the spacious silence between. These gardens are not meant to be entered, only observed, inviting deep stillness and inner clarity. In both traditions, and many more, stones become more than objects. They become anchors. They teach us how to wait, how to witness, how to rest in what simply is. This practice invites you to join that lineage of stillness with breath and presence. We'll draw 3 small stones, slowly tracing their contours as a way to return to our own grounded center. This isn't about creating a perfect drawing. It's about attention, allowing each line to become a meditation in motion. All you need for this practice is your journal or a piece of paper, a pen or pencil, color is welcome, and 3 small stones. Before we begin our meditative practice, let me quickly go over what we will do. We'll start with the breath, arriving fully in the body. Then we will stack our stones in front of us, taking a moment to hold each one, noticing its texture, its shape, and its weight. From there, we'll begin to draw. Using your eye and hand together, you'll connect to the stones with your gaze and draw the contours of each one. You can glance at your page if you want to, but let your focus rest on the stones themselves. There's no rush. Let the rhythm of your breath guide you. And after the drawing, I'll offer a few quiet prompts for reflection. A soft bell will signal the start of our drawing session, and another will mark its close. And as you draw, consider these words. I am balanced. I am grounded. I am rooted in my being. With breath and movement, I find my direction home. So breathe in, observe. Breathe out, trace. Let the stone's stillness become your own. Let's begin. Now, and take a deep breath. Notice how your body feels. Ask yourself, what did I notice as I traced each stone? Did I feel a shift in my awareness as I slowed down? What might each stone represent for me today? A reminder, a memory, a message? Thank you for joining me. And as always, stay fruitful, you beautiful soul. Oh, and one more thing. If this practice resonated with you, visit the Fruitful Soul Society for your journal companion and reflection prompt to deepen your journey. It's free to join, and the prompt's waiting for you when you're ready.